Someone you're going to recognize because she is absolutely gorgeous, one of the most sought after actors, and I say with a little fear that she's one of the most sought after anchors. She's just absolutely beautiful and brilliant at whatever she does. And today she looks like an angel. She's simply so gorgeous, and she's going to be coming here. And with all the clues that I've given you, you have to guess who she is. Can we have you here, please? A surprise! Ranjini is here. Hi, how are you today?
I'm fantastic. So wonderful to have everyone here super excited and charged up.
Absolutely, and
Right.
not just from Mollywood, but from all the woods,
From
I think.
all the woods, absolutely. I mean, it's crazy. I think every time I come for Saima, it's so much going on, right? There are so many channels, so many people representing their own states. But at the end of the day, we're all together and we're having a great time.
And this time, for the first time, we're streaming live from the red carpet. So we have all our Facebook viewers just right there, like saying a big hi to you.
Awesome.
So what would you like to say to your Malayalam fans?
Well, what do I say? They hear me pretty much all the time. So I don't want them to shut this off because I'm here. There are a lot
definitely.
big, huge celebs coming our way. We can't wait for all our, Bollywood people to come here as well, right? You're excited.
Absolutely. So we're going to have a couple of surprises here today. So considering that they've always heard you host and they've always seen you act, I think it's nice if they see you answer a couple of questions.
Go for it.
So we have a round where we have never have a ever.
Okay.
So if you can just hold on to your
Sure.
mic. You can randomly pick 5 cards. Let me hold on to that for you. So you can pick 5 cards and you'll have to answer them.
I'll just pick the top 5.
Top 5.
Easily,
Okay.
huh?
So we'll go. Never have you ever had pics of you posted on Facebook that you tried to get taken down?
I've never tried to get it taken down because when you try to report things on Facebook, nothing really goes
Uh-huh.
off. But I've had so many pics and videos of mine on Facebook that are not even mine, but they say it's mine, which is great.
Which was like the most embarrassing of
The
this
most
lot?
embarrassing one was there was this, not embarrassing for me, but this really hot Arabic looking woman who's completely naked and opening and flashing. And I was really happy people said it was me because there is no way I had that body. She was like full on 38 or something.
Oh.
And I'm like, that's not me. And I showed my mother, Amma, look, ma, compliment.
Absolutely, I think that's the spirit. Everybody has to take it in. And have you ever faked a family member's death to get out of a commitment?
No, the biggest problem I have in life is I'm very honest with things, so I can't get out of things like that. So never faked it, but the closest thing I've done is I've faked like illnesses and stuff.
Oh.
Like I've been like not well at all, so I can't come for this trip and
Oh,
stuff
I
like
have a
that.
headache, a migraine
Not
and
me,
all
somebody else. My grandfather's in a hospital at that time.
How sweet. So her grandfather has a headache and she takes off
Yeah,
from
so I'll
work.
say some stuff, hospital visit, ye wo, like not major. I haven't killed anyone.
Have you ever stepped in poop barefoot?
Yeah, so many times.
Are you really happy about
No,
it?
no.
Like, every day?
I run an animal rescue NGO.
Aww.
So I'm fully living in poop. Like.
Oh, that's so sweet. And your final question. Have you ever drank something other than liquor to get drunk? Like
Like cough syrup and stuff? No,
Yeah.
no, never. Only alcohol if I have to.
That's good. I think that's the spirit. And today we have a huge after party after this. So I think you're going to have a great time. But thank you so much, Ranjini. And if you can just say something in Malayalam and end this, we will be very happy.
യെസ് സൈമ 2017 വേണ്ടിയാണ് ഞങ്ങൾ എല്ലാവരും അബുദാബിയിൽ ഇവിടെ എത്തിയിരിക്കുന്നത്. നിങ്ങൾ ഏറ്റവും പ്രിയപ്പെട്ട സ്റ്റാർസ് ഒക്കെ ഇപ്പോൾ വന്നുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുകയാണ് റെഡ് കാർപ്പറ്റിലൂടെ. ആൻഡ് കുറച്ച് നിമിഷങ്ങൾക്കകം സ്റ്റേജിൽ വി വിൽ ഓൾ ബി റോക്കിംഗ് ഇറ്റ്. അപ്പോൾ എല്ലാവരും സ്റ്റേ ട്യൂൺ ഫോർ വാട്ട്സ് ഗോണ ഹാപ്പൻ. ഇറ്റ്സ് ഗോണ ബി ലോട്ട്സ് ഓഫ് ഫൺ. കീപ് വാച്ചിങ്.
And it's going to be a surprise. Thank you so much, Ranjini. Have a wonderful evening.